everyone. This video is for you to install a plugin and an add-on called the Lazy Viewport. I come from a different software, so I like Blender, but there are a few things that I don't really enjoy the way it works here, certain things. It's just a navigation thing. So if you click the cube in Blender, and then you press G, and then you can place anywhere, or you can Shift D to duplicate. And I find it, a little bit, I don't like the feeling of being lost here in my 3D space. So obviously in Blender, if you want to move in one direction, you can press the axis. So you click, hold on a minute, and you click, and let's say this, I'm just going to duplicate, and then I can duplicate in Y. Then I can move. I press the key Y, or I key X, or the key Z. So that way it's all right. But I am kind of person who likes the handles, and I think it's much easier to use handles. Yeah, I don't know, I just find it easier, so it might be helpful for you. It depends how you start using, but I prefer to use handles what I hear, because you can also click here, so then you can move and you can choose your handles there, and you can move in the right direction that you want. Rotation, the same thing, yeah, and the scale tool, and that one in proportional. So let me just show you how to do this, because obviously I don't want to be clicking here and going back there. I want to see these handles all the time. So if the keys for Blender is G for move, and then the R for rotation. You see, this way I don't have any control. I like to see the handles, so not the candles. And then the S for scale, but I want to actually see the handles here. So let's just create a new scene. Yeah, so here in preferences, you've already downloaded the Lazy Viewport zip file. You unzip there, make sure you know where it is, you locate, you put in a folder that you know where it is. So you come here and Blender edit preferences, adds on, and then install. Yeah, I've got it here. Let me just bring it here. I had it here in the Lazy Viewport master. So I've already unzipped the file, and you have a file .py, which is a little code really. Install add-on. Yeah, so I install, and here you go. It appears here. Object Lazy Viewport, activate that. Yeah, and then you save your preferences. Save preferences, close the window. So now what we have, so if I come here and select this cube and I press G for move, it appears there. So I can move using my handles, which I like. R for rotation, and then S for scale. Yeah, so I really like having the handles, to be honest. Right. Okay, so this video is for that. So Lazy Viewport installation.